and we know him from long time. He is Bombay Sapper, and he is a Merit College alumni, so we have known him very well, and we have been living each other together in Somvihar. And happy birthday, and we really enjoyed it. And his father is an old friend of our son, so we know them very well. And really, party was absolutely gracious, and we enjoyed it very well. It was, and it is his happy birthday, and the party was organized, and Arman has come to me to give the card, and he told me, "Don't, auntie, don't tell my grandfather if you meet him that it's a surprise party for him." So we were just keeping quiet. We didn't send any flowers or anything to him there in the house so that he won't know what there is a party on, and he really enjoyed it. It's happy birthday to his, Colonel Vinod Gupta. All the best and all the time. Thank you so much, Arman.
पास ही आजा क्या बोलूं दादा के बारे में कुछ दादा योर दादा इज एक्सीलेंट मैन very smart and a very good person. We are Samdis, by the way. Happy birthday, Dadaji. Happy birthday. God bless you. Okay.
Oh, Dad, great guy, great guy. I've been, and I'm actually missing my morning walks with him, and would love to get back to it again, and wish him another 25 years of healthy, happy, prosperous life, and all the best.
Uncle, we've known you a long time, and my sister thinks the world of you. And we're missing you on our morning walks. So I hope you're up and about and feeling much better after this fabulous party. And we'll see you walking over the weekend. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. Birthday to you. बार दिल के आए, बार दिल ये गाए, बार ये आए, बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल है मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Everybody sing along. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to PK. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Oh, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Oh, तुम जियो हजारों साल के दिन 50,000. Oh, तुम जियो हजारों साल के दिन 50,000. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Wish him a very happy birthday and many more to come. Thank you. चेहरा जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा एक दिल से ले आके कोई राज में गए तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा ये झील से मेले आके कोई राज में गहरा तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया चीज कयामत में है लोगों से सुना करते थे तुमने देख के मैंने माना वो ठीक कहा करते थे वो ठीक कहा करते थे पहचान में तेरे जालिम कुछ ऐसे पलाता जादू कौमार संभाला दिल को पर होके रहा बेकाबू तारीफ करूं कैसे के जिसने तुम्हें बनाया
वीडियो है
Ladies and gentlemen, I believe a lot of people, I have to stand away from the speakers, right? I believe a lot of friends here have some special birthday wishes. So, who would like to go first? Brigadier? आइए सर इधर 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 सर अबाउट टर्न इस तरफ हाँ जी ऐसे राइट हियर सर आइए सर यू ऑन द वीडियो
Ladies and gentlemen, out of the 75 years that Vinod is today, I have known him very, very intimately for 44 years out of that. And every day of that 44 years, I remember that I'm very glad to have been with the gentleman of his stature. He is a very versatile person, as all of you know. I mean, there is not a thing that starting from cricket, studies, work, anything, you name it, and socializing and being a real friend to people, there is nothing that I can add to Vinod's stature. I am very happy that we are here on this occasion to wish him personally a very, very happy birthday and many more years to come. Because at least that will give me an opportunity to carry on living together with him. Thank you very much.
All right. Few words from me now. Ladies, gentlemen, family, friends and gatecrashers. We are here today to celebrate. Chacha, this is for you. Here's a message for you. So we are here today to celebrate the 75th birthday of Lieutenant Colonel Vinod Kumar Gupta, to his friends VK and VKG, as I may refer to him in some parts of my speech, to me, my Vinod Chacha. To those of you who are wondering who I am, my name is Gaurav Gupta. I come from Calcutta. I am his eldest brother Krishan's and Krishna's son. And I'm here for this very special day. Now take a look at my Chacha here. He's supposed to be 75. Come on, does he look 75? Now when I think of 75, I think of the following. Seriously, when you get to 75, life is not the same anymore. Because everything around you is supposed to change. If you're chasing women, it's usually because you're going downhill. there's no other way. Even your birthday suit has got so many wrinkles, it needs ironing. And if you take a look at this uncle of mine, would you wonder, is he 75? Because last I heard about him, he was in Kharagpur in January to celebrate 50 years of the batch of his IIT boys, along with some poor, unfortunate people who had to suffer really, and because they were celebrating 25 years that day. And they took part in a marathon. Only one man took part in the marathon from his batch. No points for guessing who won that marathon. Naturally, VKG. Now, to bring things into perspective, what is 75 years? 75 years ago, when my Chacha was born, India had not gained independence. India never made any motor cars. Muhammad Rafi and Lata Mangeshkar had not started singing. Devanand had not started acting. And guess what? Amitabh Bachchan and Rajesh Khanna were not even born. So, a little history about my Chacha. He was born in, well, he likes to tell everybody, in a sugar factory. I like to think it was a little away from the factory, in some, I think it was a decent place, right? So he grew up in Dorala, then in Meerut. An active cricketer, a very, very good cricketer, and went on to get not one, but 2 engineering degrees from IIT. One of the only officers in the engineering corps who had a B.Tech from Kharagpur and an M.Tech from Kanpur. And then later in his life, he took up golf. It was many summers ago, late 70s, I was a schoolboy in Calcutta when my Chacha Vinod was posted in Calcutta. And he introduced me to this wonderful game of golf. And somewhere, some summer, sometime, we became friends. And when we became friends, slowly, I don't know when it happened, he became my friend, philosopher, and my guide. And once I lost my parents, he also assumed the role of becoming my guardian angel. So ladies and gentlemen, let's not get too serious about age. Age is simply something in the mind. And I'll just round it up with a couple of quotations from Bob Hope. As far as age is concerned, when you get to 75, Chacha, you should live life honestly, eat slowly, and lie about your age. The other thing, age is simply, it's a mind of, it's a matter of mind over matter. And if you do not mind, it does not matter. So let's all raise our glasses and raise a toast for this wonderful human being, Colonel Vinod Kumar Gupta, my Chacha. To you.
Well, it is a love of Gaurav. It is a love of my nephew Gaurav, who has bragged so much about me. I do not know how much I deserve, but somehow I have carried on and reached wherever I could. Okay. So I have reached this milestone, and I don't know how long will it continue, but my son has put on the cake 75 not out. So I am still betting at 75. Okay? Thank you very much.
We wish you a century.
हाँ जी अशोक चाचा आइए.
A century. Tell me, what is your business in Calcutta?
Hello, I am his younger brother, and he was not only a mentor and guide to Gaurav, but to me also, right from the age of 1 or 2, something I don't know. And as far as 75 is not out is concerned, he invariably, once he crossed 50, he used to go and get a set. So one can be rest assured that he will. And well, up to, as I was telling in the other interview, that I continued to follow him right through, and he was my elder brother, and I never had to decide anything because he would do it and then I'll just follow. only thing that I did earlier was to get married earlier than him in 3 months. Thank you very much. I wish him all luck as well as a long life.
Hello. A friend is a gift which you give to yourself. A friend is a gift. Oh, friend is a gift which you give to yourself. I have given this gift to my own self, and I have lived embracing that gift for more than 4 decades now. दोस्ती एक अजीज और अहम रिश्ता है. इनके कंधों में ताकत है, सपोर्ट है. जब मुझे महसूस हुआ, जब कभी ऐसी जरूरत महसूस हुई, तो मैं इनके पास पहुंच गया. और कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि मुझे इनकी मोहब्बत से महरूमियत महसूस हुई हो. I have not only enjoyed the friendship between two of us, but the trust with which we both lived for decades together, whether we are near to each other or not, is carrying me through even now. Even in the last few years, whenever I felt the need of some consoling shoulders, I walked into the World Trade Center and there he was. And there I got what I received. Thank you very much, Vinod. I look forward to many, many more years with you.